Why is it so hard to think of stuff to put at this part of the video? I wanted to let everyone know what the challenge was that I ended up getting from Glovebox Burrito from being challenged by Kelly yesterday. There'll be a link in the sidebar to the video where he explains it if you want to watch that. Alright, so whoever I challenge this week has to learn a verse and a chorus from the song White and Nerdy by Weird Al. And if you don't know it, then you have to go to his MySpace and learn it at least and sing as much of it as you can, but at least a verse and a chorus. So, here we go. Cards. We're gonna pick this one. And it's Kelly!
Oh my gosh!
Lucky you! Oh, look at her face. She's so excited. There she is. Okay, well, Kelly, you have fun with that. I can't wait to see it. Today's holiday is Alfred Hitchcock Day, which is really exciting for me because I'm actually a big fan of his movies. The only one, I mean, his most famous is Psycho and The Birds, and those are the two I haven't seen. But my favorite ones are Spellbound, Strangers on a Train, Shadow of a Doubt, Rear Window, and The Trouble with Harry. So if you haven't seen those, you should, because they are very, very, very good movies. Okay, and the other holidays for today are the first library opened. I don't know what year, it didn't say. Dennis the Menace's birthday. He was born in 1951, so that's exciting. And it's also National Organize Your Home Office Day and National Workplace Napping Day. Alright, since it's National Organize Your Home Office Day, I thought I'd organize my desk for you because it is very messy. So, here we go! Alright, so that's as organized as it's getting. You want to see it? There you go. Nice, neat stacks. Clean. Look at that. So, and now that I'm all done working, time for the second holiday to be celebrated. Alright, so the next part to this video, part 2, is going to be my challenge. This is the last you'll see me talking, and so I will see you tomorrow, Caitlin, and yeah, bye!